Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram feed. So what you need to do at first is head over to your Instagram, and let's say this is your feed. You want to take a screenshot. After that, what you want to do is go to Google and search for something called Instaguru, which is a new option by ChatGPT. So just click on it, and if it's your first time, they might ask you to you know, uh, sign up and things like that. So now you're going to say roast my Instagram feed, and then attach file, upload the file, media picker, and then just the screenshot that you took, and then we're gonna wait for it to load, and then we're gonna send it. Now ChatGPT is going to wait for some time, and then it's going to generate a prompt. As you can see, it's automatically giving everything, and once it's load, you can see everything. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.